Welcome to Original Solutions. In this video, let's talk about various vaccines available for COVID-19 disease. So there are many conspiracies roaming around regarding vaccines and vaccination process. Don't believe all those things. If you are really wanted to take vaccination, please consult your healthcare provider or doctor, or please visit the concerned vaccine website for more details. Vaccine only can prevent us from COVID-19 infection. So now let us see what is an infection. When our human body is exposed to disease-causing organisms like virus, bacteria or fungi, then immune system in our body will try to fight against the disease-causing organisms through antibodies, and in the meanwhile the body will produce symptoms. Disease-causing organism is more stronger. It may lead to disease. Here in this case it is COVID-19 disease. COVID-19 disease is caused by coronavirus called SARS-CoV-2. So this type of virus has not been seen before. One can get COVID-19 through contact with another person who has the virus. It is predominantly a respiratory illness that can affect other organs too. People with COVID-19 have had a wide range of symptoms reported, ranging from mild symptoms to severe illness. Symptoms may appear 2 to 14 days after exposure to the virus. Symptoms may include fever, chills or cough, shortness of breath, fatigue, muscle or body aches, headache, loss of taste or smell, sore throat, congestion or runny nose, nausea or vomiting, diarrhea. So these are the symptoms of COVID-19 infection. Now let us see what is a vaccine. Vaccine is a substance used to stimulate the production of antibodies and provide immunity against one or several diseases prepared from causative agent of a disease. Its products are a synthetic substitute treated to act as an antigen without inducing the disease. The antibodies will provide immunity against that particular microorganism or disease-causing organism without inducing the disease. So this is the definition of vaccine. Now let us see what is vaccination. Whenever our body is given vaccine, the immune system in our body will give some response by producing antibodies. Whenever our human body is exposed to disease-causing organism, the antibodies will act against it and kills the microorganisms. So this is the vaccination process. Now let us see various vaccines available for COVID-19 disease. They are covishield vaccine, covaxin, Sputnik V, modernavaccine, Pfizer Vaccine, Johnson Vaccine. Now let us see some information about each and every vaccine available. Covishield vaccine. Covishield is developed and manufactured by Serum Institute of India along with AstraZeneca, a British-Swedish pharmaceutical and biotechnological company. In Covishield vaccine, the virus used is inactivated recombinant adenovirus. Adenovirus is a common flu-causing virus. That particular adenovirus is modified, engineered, or restructured with SARS-CoV-2 protein coat and then inactivated, and that inactivated recombinant virus is used in Covishield vaccine. In Covishield vaccine, 2 separate doses of 0.5 ml each are given at a gap of 4 to 6 weeks, and after taking vaccine, the person may experience flu-like symptoms like headache, fever, etc. Persons of 18 years of age and older can take this vaccine. And if you are a pregnant woman or lactating mother, you cannot take the vaccine. Please consult your healthcare provider and tell you about your medical conditions and proceed accordingly. And if you have had any severe allergic reactions after any drug or food or any vaccine or any ingredients of Covishield vaccine, then you are strictly prohibited from taking the vaccine, or consult your healthcare provider or doctor. If you have received another COVID-19 vaccine, you should consult your healthcare provider before deciding to take the vaccine. For Covishield vaccine, the duration of protection against COVID-19 disease is currently unknown because the data from phase 3 trials is not yet known. One may get protective immune response after 4 weeks after the second dose of Covishield vaccine. The Covishield COVID-19 vaccine does not contain SARS-CoV-2 virus, so it cannot give you COVID-19 infection. When it comes to efficacy, the company claims that after first dose it is around 70% and after second dose it is around 90%. So when it comes to side effects, after taking the vaccine, the person may feel like tenderness, pain, warmth, redness, itching, swelling, or bruising when the injection is given. Sometimes he may feel fever, chills, headache, body pains, etc. The side effects are not common for everybody. Few people may experience these side effects. And if you have persistent side effects, please consult the doctor or the vaccine center for more information and further assistance. Now let us see covaxin. Covaxin is India's indigenous COVID-19 vaccine. Bharat Biotech developed in collaboration with Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, National Institute of Virology, NIV. The indigenous inactivated vaccine is developed and manufactured in Bharat Biotech BSL-3. The vaccine is developed using whole Viron inactivated Vero cell derived platform technology. Inactivated vaccines do not replicate and are therefore unlikely to revert and cause pathological effects. They contain dead virus incapable of infecting people but still able to instruct the immune system to mount a defensive reaction against an infection. So here in covaxin, the virus used is inactivated SARS-CoV-2 virus. SARS-CoV-2, as we all know, SARS-CoV-2 virus is causing COVID-19 disease. This SARS-CoV-2 is inactivated by several methods like heat treatment or chemical treatment or radiation treatment. Then this inactivated SARS-CoV-2 virus is used in covaxin. Covaxin is given in 2 separate doses of 0.5 ml each, and the gap between the doses is 4 weeks. After taking the vaccine, the person may experience flu-like symptoms like headache, fever, etc. Any individuals of 18 years of age or older can take the vaccine in emergency situation. Duration and protection against COVID-19 disease is currently unknown because phase 3 trial data is yet to known. One may get a protective immune response 4 weeks after the second dose of covaxin vaccine. The side effects including swelling, headache, fever, body pains, nausea, vomiting, rashes. Side effects are not common for everybody, but few people may experience the side effect, and if you have persistent side effects, please consult your healthcare provider, doctor, or the vaccine center. When it comes to efficacy of covaxin, it is around 80%. Now let us see a Sputnik V vaccine. Sputnik V vaccine is a Russian-based vaccine. It is one of the earliest vaccine developed in 2020 itself. So more than 59 countries allowed Sputnik V vaccine, and Sputnik V vaccine is a vector-based vaccine. In Sputnik V vaccine, the virus used is adenovirus. Adenovirus is a common flu-causing virus. The adenovirus is genetically modified and inactivated. The inactivated genetically modified virus is used in Sputnik V. Sputnik V is also given in 2 doses of 0.5 ml each, and 2 different vectors are used in 2 doses. The immune response may be better because of using 2 different vectors. The first vector used is RAD26S and the second vector used is RAD5S. So the gap between the 2 doses is around 21 days, and when it comes to efficacy, it is 91.6%, and the side effects include pain or swelling or redness at the site of vaccination, and the fever, chills, nausea, vomiting, etc. And if you have any side effects persistently, please contact your healthcare provider, doctor, or vaccine center. Now let us see Moderna vaccine. So the name of the vaccine is mRNA-1273. Manufacturer is Moderna TXINC. The type of vaccine is mRNA vaccine. So number of shots is 2 and a gap of 1 month or 28 days. Vaccine is given in the muzzle of upper arm. So the vaccine does not contain eggs, preservatives, or latex. Who should get the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine? FDA has authorized the emergency use of Moderna COVID-19 vaccine in individuals 18 years of age or older. Who should not get the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine? You should not get Moderna COVID-19 vaccine if you have had severe allergic reaction of previous dose of this vaccine or had a severe allergic reaction to any ingredients of this vaccine. So what are the ingredients of Moderna COVID-19 vaccine? Moderna COVID-19 vaccine contains the following ingredients, that is mRNA, messenger ribonucleic acid, lipids, cholesterol, tromethamine hydrochloride, acetic acid, sodium acetate trihydrate, and sucrose. So how is the Moderna vaccine is given? Moderna COVID-19 COVID-19 vaccine is given as an injection into the muscle. The Moderna COVID-19 vaccine vaccination series is 2 doses given 1 month apart. If you receive 1 dose of Moderna COVID-19 vaccine, you should receive a second dose of the same vaccine 1 month later to complete the vaccination series. What are the benefits of Moderna COVID-19 vaccine? When it comes to efficacy, that is around 94% following the 2 doses given 1 month apart. The duration of protection against COVID-19 is currently unknown because the data from phase 3 trials are not yet known. And what are the risks of Moderna COVID-19 vaccine? There is a remote chance that the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine could cause a severe allergic reaction. A severe allergic reaction would usually occur within few minutes to 1 hour after getting a dose of Moderna COVID-19 vaccine. For this reason, your vaccination provider may ask you to stay at a place where you received your vaccine for monitoring after vaccination. The signs of severe allergic reaction can include difficulty in breathing, swelling of your face and throat, a fast heartbeat, bad rash on your body, dizziness and weakness. If you have any serious allergic reaction because of this vaccine, please consult your healthcare provider or vaccine center for medical assistance. Will Moderna COVID-19 vaccine give COVID-19 disease? No, Moderna COVID-19 vaccine does not contain SARS-CoV-2 virus, so it cannot give you COVID-19 disease. Now let us see the Pfizer vaccine. So what are the ingredients in Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine? The Pfizer vaccine is also mRNA based vaccine, and lipids, potassium chloride, monobasic potassium phosphate, sodium chloride, dibasic potassium dihydrate and sucrose, etc. How does an mRNA vaccine work? Any mRNA vaccine work almost in the same way. Now let us see how does mRNA vaccine work. mRNA, when delivered to your body cells by lipid nanoparticles that instruct the cells to generate spike protein found on the surface of novel coronavirus that initiates infection. Instructing the cells to generate the spike protein spurs as an immune response, including the generation of antibodies specific to SARS-CoV-2 spike protein. In this way, the mRNA vaccine will produce the spike protein spurs that will cause the immune response that will produce antibodies in our body that are specific to SARS-CoV-2 virus. So mRNA vaccine does not contain any virus particles. They don't contain weakened or dead parts of virus or bacterium. Do mRNA vaccine change a person's DNA? mRNA is a transient carrier of information that does not integrate to human DNA. mRNA does not enter the cell's nucleus where the DNA is kept. What are the side effects of Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine? There is a remote chance that Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine could cause a severe allergic reaction. The severe allergic reaction would usually occur within few minutes to 1 hour after getting a dose of Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. For this reason, your vaccination provider may ask you to stay at a place where you received your vaccine for monitoring after vaccination. The signs of severe allergic reaction may include difficulty in breathing, swelling of your face and throat, fast heartbeat, bad rashes all your body, dizziness, weakness, etc. The side effects that have been reported with Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine include the severe allergic reactions, non-severe allergic reactions such as rashes, itching, hives or swelling of the face, and injection site pain, tiredness, headache, muscle pains, chills, joint pain, fever, etc. Serious and unexpected side effects may occur. So Pfizer BioNTech vaccine is still being studied in clinical trials. Now let us see the Janssen vaccine. Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine is authorized by United States FDA for emergency use. Janssen vaccine is first single-shot vaccine fight against global pandemic COVID-19. The name is J&J 78436-735. The manufacturer is Janssen Pharmaceuticals. The company is of Johnson & Johnson. The type of vaccine is viral vector. The number of shots are 1 shot. So it is given to the muzzle of upper arm. So it does not contain eggs or preservatives or latex. Who should get vaccinated with Janssen vaccine? Johnson & Johnson or Janssen vaccine is recommended for people aged 18 years or older who should not get vaccinated. If you have had a severe allergic reaction or any immediate allergic reaction, even if it was not severe, to any ingredients in Janssen COVID-19 vaccine, such as polysorbate, you should not get Janssen COVID-19 vaccine. An allergic reaction is considered severe when a person needs to be treated with epinephrine if they must go to the hospital. The experts refer to severe allergic reaction as anaphylaxis. An immediate allergic reaction means a reaction within 4 hours of getting vaccinated, including symptoms such as hive, swelling, or wheezing, that is respiratory distress. If you aren't able to get Janssen COVID-19 vaccine, you may still able to get a different type of COVID-19 vaccine. What are the ingredients of the Janssen COVID-19 vaccine? The Janssen COVID-19 vaccine includes the following ingredients: recombinant replication incompetent adenovirus type 26 expressing the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein, citric acid monohydrate, trisodium citrate dihydrate, ethanol, HBCD, polysorbate 80, sodium chloride. How is the Janssen COVID-19 vaccine given? The Janssen COVID-19 vaccine will be given to you as an injection to the muzzle. The Janssen COVID-19 vaccine schedule is a single dose. So what are the benefits of Janssen COVID-19 vaccine? When it comes to efficacy, it is around 85% and the duration of protection against COVID-19 is currently unknown. What are the possible side effects? In the arm where you get the shot, the pain or redness or swelling. Throughout the rest of your body, the tiredness, headache, muscle pain, chills, fever, nausea, etc. The side effects usually start within a day or two of getting the vaccine. Side effects might affect your ability to do daily activities, but they should go away in a few days. If the side effects still persistent in your body, please consult your healthcare provider or doctor or the vaccination center. Now let us see the blood clot issue for a Janssen vaccine. Blood clots involving blood vessels in the brain, abdomen and legs along with 2 levels of platelets have occurred in some people who have received the Janssen COVID-19 vaccine. In people who developed these blood clots and low levels of platelets, symptoms began approximately 1 or 2 weeks following vaccination. Most people who developed these blood clots and low levels of platelets were females aged between 18 through 49 years. You should seek medical attention right away if you have any of the following symptoms after receiving the Janssen COVID-19 vaccine. That is, the symptoms include the shortness of breath, chest pain, leg swelling, persistent abdominal pain, severe or persistent headache or blurred vision, easy bruising or tiny blood spots under the skin beyond the site of injection, etc. This is the information of each and every vaccine available for COVID-19 disease. If you are planning for any vaccination, then please go through the information in their website or please consult your healthcare provider or doctor before taking the vaccine. The vaccine is only the way to prevent the COVID-19 infection. So please get vaccinated. So if you feel this information is informative, please like the video, please comment your doubts, questions or queries, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel for more health related information. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.